The phrase, intestinal parasites, probably makes you think of infected animals or individuals from developing nations. This, however, is not at all the case. According to estimates from the World Health Organization, intestinal parasites are present in more than 3 billion people worldwide. It ranks among the top causes for seeking medical care. However, there are a lot more people who have these parasites but never exhibit any symptoms. These parasites thrive in damp, gloomy environments. They are, therefore, given nutrients that keep them alive within your intestinal tract. You might first question what an intestinal parasite is. An organism of small size that enters your body is called a parasite. Once inside, it can eat everything it discovers inside your body. Human intestines may be home to intestinal parasites. These parasites typically enter your body through tainted food or beverages. Children may frequently be the most susceptible, perhaps, as a result of their tendency to put everything in their mouths and avoid washing their hands. However, if they are exposed to unhygienic settings, people of all ages are equally at risk of getting these parasites. These intestinal parasites can be challenging to find at times. Because the symptoms occasionally resemble those of other illnesses, diagnosis can be challenging. It is crucial to be aware of these symptoms because, if you do get a parasite, you should seek treatment as soon as you can. The following are the most typical signs: food digestion issues, sleep issues and fatigue, lack of or excessive appetite, with difficulty controlling body weight, ocular inflammation, anxiety and trepidation, food allergies and intolerances that are accompanied by constipation or diarrhea, itching in the anal region, around the eyes, or at the end of the nose, constipation issues and persistent stomach pain, breakouts of acne, leg and foot numbness as well as cramping in the muscles, recurrent headaches. If you think you might have an intestinal parasite or are exhibiting the aforementioned symptoms, you should see a doctor for a proper diagnosis. The most crucial action to take is to change your diet right away, especially if your doctor determines that you do, in fact, have intestinal parasites. Your consumption of processed foods and sugar should be decreased. Most likely, your doctor would advise medical therapy to get rid of the parasites. You can also utilize certain all-natural remedies that support your digestive system and don't have any strange or unfavorable side effects. A natural treatment that has gained popularity for getting rid of these parasites is flax seeds and cloves. These components have anti-inflammatory, microbial, and parasite-killing properties. They can combat these infections before they become more severe problems. Consider the following. Advantages of cloves. Most kitchens contain the spice cloves, which have other uses like cleaning your body and killing bacteria. Additionally, they can treat any heart or circulation issues and avoid blood clots. Nutrients such as vitamin B, vitamin K, and potassium are present in cloves. This also includes calcium, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. They can be employed to treat cholera-related infections and diarrhea, malaria, tuberculosis, infections with germs and fungi. Flax seeds benefits. Because they are rich in specific nutrients that support our body's normal processes, flax seeds are referred to as superfoods. Flax seeds are a good source of dietary fiber, antioxidants, and fatty acids, all of which are good for your digestive system. Flax seeds have a large capacity for absorption, helping them to flush out any toxins that have accumulated in your colon. They assist the good bacteria in your digestive tract to protect your intestines while also being soft on your stomach. The added benefit of using cloves and flax seeds to cleanse your body is that it will aid in weight loss. The following technique can be used for 3 days, but it can also be used for up to 7 days. Ingredients: 10 tablespoons of flax seeds, 1 tablespoon of cloves. The components should be combined in a coffee grinder to make a powder. To apply as a remedy to get rid of parasites. When you wake in the morning, consume 2 tablespoons of the powder. You can incorporate it immediately into your breakfast or mix it with warm water. Consume for 3 to 7 consecutive days, then discontinue for at least an equal number of days. Repetition is advised every 3 months or as often as you see fit. Drink a lot of water while receiving this treatment for best outcomes. It's crucial to stay hydrated to keep your body functioning normally. Always remember to wash your hands frequently and maintain proper hygiene. This will lessen the chance of parasites getting inside your body. Additionally, if you have dogs in the house, you should follow the veterinarian's advice and have them dewormed. When infected, pets can easily transmit parasites to other hosts. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.